Hi everyone, my name is Naomi.
Hi everyone, my name is Iris.
Hi everyone, my name is Balkis. Hi, my name is Leah.
Iris! Iris!
Yes?
Can you help me take my poly bag?
Is this your poly bag, Akis?
Yeah.
Instead of using this, why don't you try this product?
PSP!
Food waste such as food that has been served but not eaten, spoiled food or chicken bones are considered inedible. Rather than throwing the food away, it's better to use it for good. As for example, this food waste gives nutrients for plant to grow healthier. Therefore, we tried to create biodegradable seedlings pot out of food waste to reduce food disposal and to ensure a better environment. Many people don't realize that food waste releases carbon dioxide during decomposition phase, which adds to environmental pollution. One important way to lower carbon dioxide levels is by planting more trees, since they absorb carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. However, most seedling pot and polybag are made of plastic, which creates even more plastic waste and pollution. To solve this problem, we have developed a new invention, a biodegradable seedling pot. It's made entirely from food waste and doesn't contribute to plastic pollution. As it breaks down it provides nutrients to the plant, making it an eco-friendly and effective solution for planting.
Guys, did you know that using polybags to grow seedlings might not be the best idea? When it's time to move the plants, the roots can get damaged. Some even die because they don't have enough space to grow, and that makes the plants weak. Plus, the polybag doesn't let air and water flow properly. This also makes the soil damp and perfect fungus to grow. And you may guess what happens after that? More plastic waste from agriculture and not sustainable for our environment. That's why we invented this product, which is Biodegradable Seedlings Pot. It's good for our Mother Earth.
These pots are made up of beeswax, neem oils, eggshells, and most importantly, food waste such as chicken bones. The apparatus used to make these pots are bowl, stone mortar, air fryer, and mould. Moving on to the process of making the pots. Firstly, wash the food waste thoroughly. Then, put the food waste into an air fryer for 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After that, grind the food waste until grainy. Then, put 2 to 3 drops of neem oil and mix it well. Next, put in starch glue or beeswax into the food waste. Then, shape it into a pot. Finally, dry the pot under sunlight for 24 hours.
For our methodology, we conducted 3 tests, which are strength test, nutrient test, and mould test.
For the strength test, first we prepare the biodegradable seedlings pot. Next, we place a 500 gram load on the pot. We repeated this step by gradually increasing the load up to 7,000 gram. This pot can withstand up to 7 kg of load, and the pot starts to break when the load reaches 7 kg.
Next, for our nutrient test, we planted seeds in the biodegradable seedlings pot using soil. Over several days, we observed the growth of the seedlings to see which pot produced taller and healthier plants. We repeated this observation process until the plants grew and continuously pour water to the both of pots evenly throughout the experiment. And lastly, for our mould test, we stored our product under the sun for a few days. Then, we added soil and seed into the pot and pour water into it. We repeated this process daily until mold started to appear at the bottom of the pot. We recorded the number of days for the pot to become moldy.
Based on pie chart 1, majority of the respondents strongly agreed that BSP can reduce the food waste in the landfill. Based on pie chart 2, majority of the respondents strongly agreed that BSP can reduce plastic waste and also plastic pollution.
Based on pie chart 3, majority of the respondents strongly agreed that biodegradable seedling pots can help to reduce soil, air, plastic, and odor pollution. Based on pie chart 4, majority of the respondents strongly agreed that biodegradable seedling pots can reduce carbon dioxide and save the earth.
Based on pie chart 5, majority of the respondents strongly agree that biodegradable seedlings pot is easy to use for everyone. Based on pie chart 6, majority of the respondents strongly agreed that polybag can be replaced by biodegradable seedlings pot. Based on pie chart 7, majority of the respondents strongly agree that biodegradable seedlings pot is affordable for all users, especially for gardeners who use polybag for their plants.
Based on pie chart 8, majority of respondents strongly agree that biodegradable seedlings pot will be well received in the market. Based on pie chart 9, majority of respondents strongly agree that biodegradable seedlings pot can be used in the future. And the last pie chart, majority of respondents strongly agree that biodegradable seedlings pot should be accepted by next generation to make it easier.
Each pot costs about 66 cents to make. We plan on selling it for 1 ringgit per pot, which results in a profit of 34 cents, which is 51.5%. Our target customers are gardeners, farmers, old folks, and nature lovers, as these pots are not only eco-friendly but also affordable.
In conclusion, we are addressing food waste by reusing it for agriculture represent a powerful strategy for fostering a healthier ecosystem. Converting excess food into compost can enrich soil, reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers, and minimize greenhouse gas emission from landfills.
Leah, do you have any future plan for this project?
Yes, we have already thought about the future plans that we're gonna do. First, we want to sell it at every greenhouse in Malaysia and export it to many countries. Second, we would also like to develop more about BSP and the next generation so that they can get used to the habit of using BSP to reduce food waste and carbon dioxide. Third, we're thinking about making an improvement to BSP according to user opinions.